Hello, good morning kids. How are you? Today I Purnima is going to teach you a new topic and I've written the name of the topic on the board, that is message writing. Now children, before starting this topic, let me tell you this is a part of your writing section. In English we are having three sections. In the question paper you will be having three sections in English. First is reading section, in which you will get comprehension passage. 2 or 3 comprehension will be there. In the second section B is your writing section and grammar. So children, message writing is a part of your writing section. Okay, message writing is a part of your writing section. Now then children, you will be having your grammar also, and after that children, your major section will come, and that is literature. In literature children, you will be having your MCQ question, short questions and long question. Okay, the paper for your 2 examination, that is half yearly and annual, will be of 80 marks. So children, this is message writing is a part of writing section. Now, first of all children, before starting message writing, I will be telling you that what is a message. So, message is a short communication sent from one person to another. Children, many times you must have heard this word send a message. Send a message or give my message to her or him. Okay. So children, what is a message? Message is a short communication sent from one person to another. Okay. And children, it can be a short communication, it can be some theme of something, and children, it can be a idea of a communication. So this is a message writing. Okay. Now children, before there is a rule in English language that whenever the teacher teaches writing section, she has to tell about the format, because children, the real message, children, there is no format when we will hear the real message of someone, and that real message can be communicated to us through mobile phone or through children through verbally it can be communicated. But children, when you will write, so there is a lot of difference between verbal communication or the message sent by phone, because children, when we will write something in the writing section, we have to follow certain format. Okay, and children, following certain format, that means children, that I have to tell you, and you have to take out your copies and you have to note your format for the message writing. Now children, we just like a notice writing, in message writing also we have to draw a rectangular box. So children, format, point number 1 in the format is that whenever we write message writing, first thing we have to draw a box, a rectangular box, and children, we have to leave the first line. In the second line we have to write message with the capital letter. Then children, we will come to the third line. In the third line children, we will write date at the right hand side, at the left hand side, and time at the right hand side. Just now I will draw the box and I will tell you about the format on the board. Okay, and then children, we have to write the salutation. Salutation, that means to whom we are going to give the message, that name should be written in the salutation. To whom the message should be given, that name should be written in the salutation. And then in the 50 words children, we will write message. Okay, content of the message should be there. And children, we don't have to add any other extra information. Only relevant information should be there in the message writing. Then children, at the end you have to write the name, the person who is going to give the message, that name has to be written there. And sometimes children, abbreviation word can also be used in the message writing. Okay, so student, this is the, I'm going to write the format of a message writing, and that you have to note it. Okay, so first of all, student, you have to draw a rectangular box. Whenever you start a message writing, you have to draw a rectangular box. Okay, so children, you have to draw a rectangular box. You have to leave one line here. In the first line, it should be, nothing should be written on the first line. In the second line, children, in the center, you will write message with the capital letter. So in the center, you will write message in the center, right? Then children, we will come to the third line, and at the left hand side, we will write the date. Like this, the date how we write in the notice and in letter, the same way. And at the right hand side, you have to write the time. And children, time should be given in such a way according to the question. You have to write the time. It can be 3 p.m. or it can be, children, 8 a.m. Okay, whatever. So according to the question, you have to write the time. Suppose you have to give a message to a child who is in the school and he has forgotten his tiffin box. So children, the time you will never write in PM. Okay, then the time should be written in AM. And children, if you have to give some message to your coaching sir, the sir who is teaching in a coaching in the evening, then you have to write PM. So children, you have to be very particular with the time. You have to see that which time should be written. It should be AM or it should be PM. Okay, and then children, you have to write the salutation. Leave one line here also, and then you have to write salutation here. Then from the next line, you have to write the content of the message in 50 words. And children, you have to leave one line here. Here you have to write subscription and then name. Close the rectangular box. So this is the way, students, how we write the format of a message. Okay, as you can see on the board, once again I am going to repeat, and this you have to note it down in your copy. So first thing, children, we will do, we will draw a rectangular box. Leave first line. Children, then write message in the center with the capital letter. Third line, you have to write the date at the left hand side. Come to the right hand side, write the time. You should see, children, the time should be written as AM or, children, PM. Okay, and then, children, content of the message. Then you have to write the content of the message in 50 words. After writing the content of the message, you have to leave one line here, and children, then you have to write subscription. In subscription, children, you can start writing something like that, like yours sincerely. If you are writing it to your friend, then you can write yours sincerely. If you are writing to your classmate, then also you can write yours sincerely. So it depends, children, how you are writing or sending the message to whom you are sending. If you are writing message to your uncle or aunt, you will write your loving child or you affectionately. So children, there are various type of the various type of way to write the subscription. You have to see that to whom you are writing the message, and according to that, children, you have to write the subscription. Okay. So once again I revise, children, how to write the format of a message. Children, first you have to draw a, not a square box, remember children, a square box we draw in notice writing, but in message writing we have to draw a rectangular box. Leave first line, write message, then children we have to write date at the left hand side, then time at the right hand side. You have to see, children, that how you will be writing the time according to the situation. You have to write the time. You have to see, you have to think that the time should be written either in AM or in PM. That you have to see. Okay. Then children, after time you have to write salutation. Okay. If you are writing letter to your friend, you have to write dear, whatever the name of the friend is. If you are writing letter to your uncle, then you can write dear uncle. If you are writing letter to your mother, you can write dear mom. Okay, so according to the person to whom you are giving the message, you have to write the salutation. Then come the main part, children. What is the main part here? That what is the message? Okay. Children, message should generally written in the past tense. Please remember this one. Okay. And in the passive voice or in the past tense, and generally in the passive voice. Then children, after writing the message, you have to, children, leave one line here, and then you have to write subscription. Subscription should also be written, children, according to the salutation. If you are writing a message to your friend, then in the subscription you have to write yours sincerely. Okay. If you are writing a, children, subscription to your parents, you have to write yours affectionately. So children, according to the time, according to the person, you have to write the subscription. Okay. Then children, you have to write your name. The person who has sent the message, their name should be written. Right? So this is the way when we write message. Now, students, the thing is that now I think I will be telling you in your examination what type of message will be coming. So children, first of all, two type of message may come. First, it can come in the form of a telephonic conversation. Okay. So message can come in the form of a conversation, and it can also come in the form of a question. Alright. So both the type of message writing I will be teaching you, and children, telephonic conversation is more important. So I will be telling you, my first question will be related with the telephonic conversation. Okay. So first of all, children, I would like to share you a question. Okay. Now I will be reading the question aloud, and children, you have to see two or three things. What is the message? Children, in the question only you will have to find, children, what is the message, which line in the question is giving you the message, to whom the message should be given, and this message is given by whom. So this 3 and 4 thing you have to see. First of all, in the question, children, you have to find it out that which line tells you that what is the message. Okay, there will be many lines, and you have to find it out that which line gives us the message. Then students, then after finding out the message, you have to see to whom the message should be given, and then you also have to see by whom the message was given, because his name you have to write in the after subscription. And to whom the message should be given, that name should be written in the salutation. So this three thing is very important. What this line, which line shows that what is the message, to whom the message should be given, and by whom the message is written. So that you have to think. Now children, I am going to read one question and you have to listen to that question, because there will be many lines. If I will be telling you that if the question is related with the telephonic conversation, then children you have to go through it very carefully. Okay, 2 to 3 times, at least 3 times you will read the question, then you will understand that what the message is there, in which part of the question the message is there, to whom the message should be given, by whom the message should be sent. So children, this we have to find it out. Okay, so first of all, there are 2 girls are there. Okay, and children, on the two there's a telephonic conversation between 2 girls. Okay, I will be reading and then you will find out that what is the message is there, in which line the message is written. So let's start. So the name of the 2 girls are Akshita and Rena. Okay, the 2 girls are there and the name of the 2 girls are Akshita and Rena, right? So Akshita is telling, hello, is it 9862950? Any phone number of 10 digits should be written. Okay, so what Akshita is telling, hello, is it whatever the digit is, like 9826295000 question mark. After that children, Rena is written, and let's see what Rena is saying. Yes please, who is there? So what Rena is telling, yes please, who is there? Akshita, I am Akshita. What Akshita is telling, I am Akshita, a friend of Nisha, where is she? I am Akshita, a friend of Nisha, where is she? Rena, oh sorry, actually she has forgotten her mobile here. She has gone to the market. Can I help you please? Now Rena is telling that Nisha, she has forgotten her mobile here and she has gone to the market. Okay, so she is telling she has gone to the market. Can I help you please? Now children, listen what Akshita is replying. Oh sure. In fact, I wanted to convey her that today's music classes shall be suspended. Okay, once again I read this line. Oh sure. In fact, I wanted to convey her that today's music classes shall be suspended because the teacher is not well. Instead, it will be held tomorrow. Could you please pass this message to her? Children, so this is the line which is telling us about the main message. Okay, this is the line which is telling us about the main message. Okay, so once again I read this line. Akshita, oh sure, in fact I wanted to convey her that today's music classes shall be suspended because the teacher is not well. Instead, it will be held tomorrow. Could you please pass this message to her? Rena. Oh sure, why not? Akshita, thank you. Rena, it's my pleasure. And children, now the question ends. So children, you can see there was a dialogue between 2 girls. Okay. Okay, so do you want me to read the question once again? I think I should read the question one more time. And now children, you will find out to whom the message should be given, what is the message, and by whom it should be given. So once again I am reading the question. So there is a dialogue between 2 persons. One is Akshita and the other is Rena. What Akshita is telling, let's see. Hello. Is it 9826295000? Question mark. Rana. Yes, please. Who is there? Akshita. I'm Akshita, a friend of Nisha. Where is she? Rana. Oh, sorry. Actually, she has forgotten her mobile here. She has gone to the market. Can I help you, please? Akshita. Oh, sure. In fact, I wanted to convey her that today's music classes shall be suspended because the teacher is not well. Instead, it will be held tomorrow. Could you please pass this message to her? So children, here is the main line, and actually this is the message. What is the message? I wanted to convey her that today's music classes shall be suspended because the teacher is not well. Instead, it will be held tomorrow. Could you please pass this message to her? Rana. Oh sure, why not? Akshita. Thank you. Rana, it's my pleasure. Okay. Now children, first of all children, you will be drawing a rectangular box. Okay. After drawing a rectangular box, so children, you will be drawing a rectangular box. After drawing a rectangular box, student, what you will write? You have to, first of all, before drawing that rectangular box, children, you have to find it out. What is the message? What is the message, student? The message is that the teacher is ill, so the music classes is suspended and it will be held tomorrow, the next day. Okay. The message should be given to whom? The message should be given to is left for that person who is not present. So who is the person to whom the message is given? That person is not present. So it is Nisha. Nisha is the main person to whom the message is given, and by whom it is given. Okay, children, it is given by Akshita to Rana. Now children, Akshita has given this message to Rana for Nisha. So now children, please decide that for whom the message, to whom the message should be given. So the message should be given to Nisha. By whom the message is given? The message is given to Nisha by Rana. And Rana got this message from her friend. What was the name of her friend? Akshita. Okay. So children, now I hope I am clear to you. Once again I repeat children, message is given to that person who is not present first of all. So here Nisha is not present. Okay. Here Nisha is not present. Nisha is not present here, student. And children, this message is given by Rana to Nisha. And Rana got this message from Nisha's friend Akshita. What is the message? The message is that her teacher is not well, her music teacher is not well, so the classes will be the classes of today will be suspended, and next day the children, the classes will be held the next day. So this was the message passed by Akshita to Rana, and now Rana has to give this message to Nisha. Okay. So children, what we will do? Okay, now we will do it, children. I will be helping you. I will be telling you that how to write the message. So children, I will be writing the question. I will be helping you write how to start your message. So first thing children, you have to draw a rectangular box which is already drawn. You have to leave first line here. You have to write message with the capital letter here. You have to write the date which is already written. Now children, you have to write about time. Now children, music classes generally start in the evening, not during the school hour. And before evening, the message should be given to Nisha. So you can write children time 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. because children, Nisha should know 1 or 2 hours earlier that her music classes is postponed, her music classes is suspended. Okay, and then children, now children, you have to see for whom to whom the message should be given. So the message should be given to Nisha. So here you will write Dear Nisha. Here you will write Dear Nisha. Now children, from the next line you have to draw like the message. Okay, now I've already told you, you have to find out in the children, you have to find yourself that where that message should be, in which line the message is hidden. So I've already discussed you, and now children you have to write the message. Today your friend, now just see the language. Okay, in what language the message should be given. Today your friend Akshita had called upon you when you had been to market. Okay, so everything is clear. By whom the message has reached today your friend Akshita had called upon you when you had been to market. In fact, she had to tell you that your music classes shall remain suspended. So now you have to tell the exact message. So now you are telling her the exact message. In fact, she had to tell you that your music classes shall remain suspended because your teacher is not well. Because your teacher is not well. Instead, it will be held tomorrow. If you like, you may talk to her. You can add 1 or 2 lines because children 50 words should be there. So apart from the message, you can add 1 or 2 lines. And children, finally you have to write, children, who has given this message to her. It's not Akshita, it is Rana who has given this message to her. It is Rana who has given, children, this message to Akshita. Okay, so you can see, children, 3 people should be there. First, children, by whom the message is came to the person. Okay, so you have to write, you have to see 2 things. In salutation you have to write what? In salutation you have to write the name of the person to whom the message should be there, for whom the message has come. So children, here Nisha is not present and I have written her name here in the salutation because she is the person that she should get the message. Dear Nisha. Nisha is the person here. Okay, and she should be getting the message. So the person to whom the message should be sent, her name must be written there. Okay, her name must be written there, right? Now children, you have to write the message. You can add 1 or 2 lines by yourself, as the message should be of 50 words. If you will write less than 50 words, children, your marks will be cut. You will be getting negative marking. And then you have to see by whom the message is sent. Okay, so children, you have to see that the person who is sending the message is whom. Now children, don't get confused between Akshita and Rana. Akshita has given the message to Rana, okay, but children, it is Rana who is sending the message to Nisha. So you have to write the name of that person who is giving message to the person who is not there. Okay, so don't confuse that it is Akshita, because here children, many people do the wrong mistake. They do a lot of mistake. What they do, they think that
नमस्कार, मैं हूं भूपेश से यह वक्त वारदात का, लेकिन उससे पहले बड़ी खबर इस वक्त आ रही है। डीएमआरसी यानी दिल्ली मेट्रो का जो संचालन है, अपने तमाम